Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Minecraft Java with friends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead and choose to play with a public server, like Hypixel right here. Or you could go ahead and open up your browser and find public servers Minecraft, just like so. Hit on enter. And then you could go ahead and browse through these articles right here. For example, you could go ahead and choose to join OP Blocks, Vanilla Realms. Okay, you could just go ahead and copy right here. Copy the server address, give it a name, Vanilla Realms. Now enter the address, hit on done, connect to it, wait for it to load, hit on play. And then your friends should go ahead and join the same exact server. You'll be able to see each other right here. Now, another option is that you can go ahead and add in a single player. For example, this one, okay? You have two options for this method. First one is the basic connection, where you would go ahead and log in to the same Wi-Fi, right? Or use the same Wi-Fi. Now, the second option, for example, your friend is pretty far away. Okay, you could go ahead and download a mod. So what is that mod? So you could go ahead and open up your browser again, Essential Mod Minecraft. Hit on enter. Right here we have Essential Mod. You can go ahead and download it from their link. Okay, so just click on download right here. Save it on your desktop. It's done. You go ahead and click on it to install it, or find the installer, double click on it. It's up to you. So as you can see here, it says install the best way to play Minecraft. Get started. Select your launcher, of course, Minecraft launcher. Just go ahead and select new installation. Now it's going to be named Fabric Essentials. So we need to close Minecraft launcher first. Wait for it. And create. Okay. You can close the browser, by the way. Now it says here installed. You can now go ahead and close this one. Now open up your launcher, or Minecraft launcher. Now once it loads, go ahead over to installations and make sure that you're using Fabric Essentials right here. Hit on play. All right. Play. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you may have noticed here, we now have host, account, pictures, wardrobe, social. In social, accept right here, agree, I have read, submit, and then you could go ahead and add a friend right here. Enter a Minecraft username to add them as a friend. Add them right here, click on add. I don't have friends, so I can't add anybody. Okay, so just go ahead and click on single player right here. You can go ahead and open up any world or single player world. Once you have them added, you can go ahead and press escape. Invite right here, proceed, select the game mode, hit on next, and then the list of friends will be in here. Just click on invite, hit on done, and just wait for them to join your server. That is it. But just make sure that you keep your computer open so that the server won't be closed. And lastly here, you could go ahead and use Minecraft Realms. And of course, Realms right here is an additional cost. Okay, you can go ahead and add your friends from here. Click on buy now. And as you can see here, Realms for Bedrock Edition. And here's the Realms for Java Edition, which is $8 a month. Well, you go ahead and use it if you want to. If not, well, just use the simplest method, or the two last method that I've mentioned. That's basically it. That is how you play Minecraft with friends in Java Edition. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.